Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the gun model and power source because parts differ across models. Once done, place the gun on a flat surface and unlock the spine latch. This exposes the feed cover and rollers. You will see the sticker roll path. Grab the new roll and cut any tape. Make sure to clear debris with a cloth so the adhesive doesn't jam. Next, loosen the tension knob slightly to give slack for threading. This reduces friction and prevents tearing during the next steps. You now thread the sticker leader under the guide plate and route it toward the print head, keeping the adhesive side down if specified by your model. Once threaded, align the labels so each sits centered on the plate. This prevents skewing and misprints. Advance the roll by using the feed wheel or lever one click at a time, and adjust the tension knob until the roll moves smoothly without slipping. If labels peel early, reduce tension. If they bunch, increase it slightly and recheck alignment. You finish by closing the feed cover, locking the latch, and tightening the tension to the recommended setting, which stabilizes feed during operation. Once sealed, cycle 3 to 5 labels using the trigger to verify print placement, adhesion, and smooth feed. Adjust alignment if prints are off. If the gun jams or peels, stop immediately. Reopen, rethread the leader, clean the rollers with a lint-free cloth, and confirm the roll core matches your model. This solves most issues and gets you back to efficient labeling.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.